Alright, here we are at Rudy Racing today, and we fixed the Dodge so that it can no longer pull in oil through the intake manifold. We also put in new fuel injectors and cleaned all the spark plugs and the wires and reinstalled them. So the positive crankcase ventilation is going out through the chrome air cleaner or crankcase breather, it's chrome. Which, that don't look that great, but that's a hell of a lot better than throwing that inside your engine. When I first got the truck running, I used the stock crankcase breather, and that put a great deal of oil up into the air filter. So I didn't really like that a lot. It looks like the exhaust smoke is normal at idle. Okay, decided to rev it up a little bit. I also found that if you don't push that button, your electronic transmission won't act correctly. Even though it's lit up and it says off, that means it's on. Apparently, they're letting you know that's how you can turn it off. But you don't want to turn that off unless you're in like four-wheel drive and you know, you're like in 4 low. Yeah, I know I'm getting a lot of smoke off the engine. I found that's pretty typical of the new engines, basically from new paint and getting them broke in. But today, I drove that car. I've been driving it, the blue Wildcat, and it pretty much did the same thing as that with the new engine for quite a while, but then it basically just seemed to get broke in and stopped doing that. And I'm telling you what, today was one of the best drives I've ever taken in that car, and I've owned it since 1992. So we'll continue to get the bugs worked out of the Dodge, and seems to be running okay now. We'll take that for a test drive next. It's got less than 2,000 miles on the engine according to the Dodge book. It is not broken yet. So I guess keep that in mind and have a nice day.